Right now, a Bitcoin breakout will be happening today, and in this exact video, I will be going over my price targets, the levels where I think Bitcoin is heading towards next, but more importantly, I will be discussing the most important charts in crypto, and yes, today is the day where the Federal Reserve meeting will come out, and in this meeting, market volatility is going to pick up, and exactly in this video, I will be explaining from the top to the bottom about all the things you need to know about this exact Federal Reserve meeting. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. That will be absolutely incredible. Yesterday we were very close by smashing it back above 400 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely amazing. But with that being said, let's jump straight away in towards the content, and let's initially start looking at the imminent short term on Bitcoin. And looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, we can start to see that the price action of Bitcoin is squeezing very beautifully right now. We're forming a downward sloping resistance line, we're forming an upward sloping support line, and yeah, basically what we're going to expect is that we're going to be reaching an apex fairly soon. And once we do reach that apex on this exact symmetrical triangle, we will be most certainly have a significant breakout towards the upside or towards the downside. And the targets for this symmetrical triangle are quite severe. So for the upside, the target is going to be laying somewhere around the 21.5k. And if we're going to be having a bearish breakout, we will be looking for targets somewhere around the 19.3k. So either way, this is going to be a very good trading opportunity, up or down. If we're breaking bullish, this could be a 5% trade towards the upside, and with a 10x leverage, you could be making a 50% profit, and also the exact all the way around. If we break down, you could be also make a 50% profit if you take up a shorting position. So Bitcoin is about to get really feisty right here. Also looking at the RSI indicator, we can currently clearly start to see that the RSI is also squeezing in, and this is just giving another extra confirmation that we are expecting to see this breakout happening today for Bitcoin. We can also look at the 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly time frame is also beautifully squeezing in. I mean, if I honestly do look at this pattern, I mean, we have been starting to create an uptrend with higher highs, and a symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern. So I wouldn't be surprised to see another continuation happening towards the upside, honestly. But in the end of the day, the only thing that will matter is where the Fed funds rate will stand. Currently, we're sitting around 3% to 3.25%, and in the next meeting we're expecting a rate hike of an approximately 75 basis points. And like you can currently see, we can see what the odds of the priced in predictions are in the market. Currently, approximately 82% of the market is pricing in that we will be getting a 75 basis point hike. If that happens, not 100% has calculated it in, so what is likely to expect is that we're going to be having a small little dump on the market. However, if we do get a 50 basis points hike, well, of course, the majority of the market is not pricing it in, we could be seeing a severe pump in the market happening. So it's going to be extremely important to see what Jerome Powell is going to do with the next interest rate hike. What also is going to be very important is the way how Jerome Powell will talk. If he is going to be talking about some dovish things here, so if he's going to talk about that he's going to slow the rate hikes in the future, we could also expect to see a massive bump. So make sure that you are going to tune in later today, because later today, in exactly 10 hours and 55 minutes after this video is live, this Federal Reserve meeting will be happening, and I will be live streaming this on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash up that bell notification right now, because I will be exactly discuss live on the channel what is going down on the Federal Reserve meeting, how big the interest rate hike is going to be, and much more. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now and join me with this FOMC meeting later today. Furthermore, looking at the Bitcoin price action, we are also still looking at the parallel channel, still getting rejected by the top side, and you can also clearly see in this pattern right here, the symmetrical triangle is getting formed beautifully on the 4-hourly time frame, and we're just going to wait to see which direction this one is going to be breaking towards. If it breaks bullish, I'm going to go in with a long position, and also vice versa the other way around here. If you are actually willing to trade as well, you can trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies on Bybit or on BitGet. Both these exchanges are offering an insane deposit bonus, and in the bear market, you should be benefiting from the deposit bonuses the exchanges are giving you, because the deposit bonus is basically free money where you can be trading with, and that is basically money you can trade with without, using your own money. So you have basically less risk and higher returns for potential gains in the market. So don't forget to check out BitGet and Bybit in the link in the description right now here. Two very good exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin and altcoins on. Furthermore, looking on the Bitcoin price action on the 12-hour time frame right now, we're starting to see that the MACD is crossing bearish. This is, of course, not necessarily all too big of a deal here, but this is definitely an interesting point to be looking at. Historically, every single time we cross bearish, we tend to see a small little movement towards the downside getting created. So let's see if it's going to be happening again. Also over here, it happened after this candle. So yeah, let's see what is going to be happening this time around, because we're once again crossing bearish. Will we this time once again move down here, or will we be seeing a small little increase back towards the upside rather this time? Then also looking at the daily EMA ribbon, we are absolutely so close. I honestly did expect that we were crossing bullish today, but like you can see, we still not officially cross bullish today here, but yeah, tomorrow it will most certainly happen unless Bitcoin is going to be having a big dump today here. But like we do know on the channel, the last time the EMA ribbon crossed bullish was on approximately 224 days ago. So this is definitely a very big signal that is about to be flashing here on the market. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. It was definitely a shorter update video, but later today I will be back with the live stream with the FOMC meeting. Get ready for today's big Bitcoin move, because yes, usually on the Federal Reserve meetings, Bitcoin tends to at least move with an approximately 4 to 5% here. So make sure that you're going to be benefiting from the volatility. And later today, I will be, of course, talk about a potential live trade I will be taking on that exact Federal Reserve meeting, because I've got some very good trading strategies, what I will show you guys on tonight's live stream. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. If you want to learn on how to make passive income in the industry, check out the videos that are currently popping above the screen right now here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will check you guys on the next one. Peace out.